Yeah, guys, short video about how you can open a zip file and see what's inside. For example, on Windows here, Windows 11. Here in my case, it didn't work with just double click. I googled for that and unfortunately I couldn't get an easy, fast, quick solution. Not from Google, not from AI. So I did a little bit of research and finally found how this works. So I wanted to show you that here for you in case if you're in the same situation. So here I have a zip file. And when I double click, you can see it looks like it's opening quickly, but closes the thing again, doing this again. So it really doesn't help. And I've done a couple of things here regarding the 7-zip, which I've installed here. For example, Open Archive, which you would expect to do something, and some other stuff. I mean, of course, you can extract it, but I didn't want to do that here. Just wanted to see what's inside to check if the zipping process has been working as expected. I think the problem here is that I've been just installing too much and the zip is assigned to some software. I don't know if it's to 7-zip or something else, but it's not doing just what usually Windows would do. Normally Windows would open that when you double click, but it's not working. So basically you have two options. You can change the zip assignment in apps, default apps, choose default by file type. You enter zip and then you get this one here, and then you can choose any software. But it's basically just the same situation as you have when you want to open it manually. And I don't want to mess up with the installation which I have, so I leave it like that, doing nothing here and just right clicking here and select Open With. And the solution is actually just something which most people wouldn't expect. When you look here on the right side, Google Chrome, yeah, definitely didn't do anything. VLC also didn't do anything. We could install something from the Microsoft Store, which I also don't want to do. So what other choice do we have? And so the only thing which remains is the Windows Explorer. And that's something which I was totally overlooking. And probably it's the same thing with most other people, because we just think, yeah, okay, Windows Explorer probably doesn't really help. What can it do? But it's really the right choice here. That's what we have to select, Windows Explorer. And so we can see that here now after clicking on that, and we can also double click to dig down. So even when we have some included directories here in the zip file, we can dig down and see everything without having to extract it. We can use it just like as a normal file and folder structure here on the Windows Explorer with the built-in zip mechanism. So that's really the solution here. Just right click, Open With, and then hit the Windows Explorer. That's the solution. And you can of course also use that if you want to assign that for the zip files in general. Maybe I should also do that. And since I've still this window open here, I could definitely do that. Don't see any disadvantage. Set to default. So let's see what happens when I just double click here. Yeah, now, okay, now it works again. So it looks like just the installation has messed up the zip file association here. So it looks like it's definitely a good thing to use the normal standard Windows Explorer or File Explorer here. Yeah, I would say that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience or you have a better solution than that, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.